You guys know the story of the big bad wolf, right? Well, I'll tell you this much. He'll never do what he did to Little Red Riding Hood. Because Little Riding Hood's cousin went there one day to get even with the big bad wolf. Except she brought a fucking gun, and she brought a big fat fucking dildo. So when the big bad wolf tried his shit, she fucking put the gun to his head, tied him the fuck up, and then repeatedly jammed that big dildo right up his fucking ass till he just bled out like crazy. Oh my god! That's right, kids. Well, the big bad wolf will never do what he did, huh? Yeah. She taught him a fucking lesson. No more big bad wolf, huh?